everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm making a very simple sugar scrub. I've already measured into this bowl 1 teaspoon of honey, which I'm going to be using. You know, honey will help in curbing all the bacteria in your skin. So I'm only making this enough for 2 days use. So another ingredient I'm going to be using is a little bit of my coconut oil, organic coconut oil. So I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of organic coconut oil. So it's already melting, so that's good enough. Okay, so and that will create moisture into the scrub onto your skin. Okay, the next ingredient I'm going to be using is a little bit dash of sandalwood oil. So I'm going to be using a little bit dash of my sandalwood oil. So I'm putting that, just a tiny little dash. I'm not even measuring it. That's tiny dash. That will help clear away unnecessary dead skin. Okay, and then the final thing I'm using is my sugar, which is this one right here. I'm using white sugar so that it will have enough a very strong you know, let me see, I'm using a whole tablespoon of sugar. So this is 1 tablespoon of sugar. But actually I'm going to do maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar, since I'm only using it for 2 days. So I'll do 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. Okay, so let me use my spoon right here to mix everything together. So I'm going to mix it all together for now. Okay, here we are. This is looking good so far. This is my sugar scrub. Okay, a few more ingredients I'm going to add to it, because you don't really want it to be too liquid. We want it to be fine, but not too soft. Okay, so it's looking right. It feels right. It is perfect. Okay, so I mix everything together right now. So, and then now I'm going to put a dash of my vitamin E oil. Okay, this is 5000 IU vitamin E oil. So I'm just going to put 2 drops and 2. Let me make 3 or 4 drops. So I put 4 drops of vitamin E oil, and then another thing I'm going to put is my lime extract. I'm going to put a little bit of my lime extract into it. This is very tiny little. Okay. Now finally I will use my rose water. This is my rose water drop. So I'll use. This is a very rich one, so I'm going to use, let me see. Why is this not coming? Okay, so I'll put that much of my rose water. Okay, now I have my scrub for today and tomorrow. It's right here. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share this video with everyone that can benefit from it. This will act as a beneficial reagent to your skin. It will you know, scrub away dead skin, leaving your skin smooth and, you know, soft because of the oils that are there. So at the end of the day, even after you finish taking a shower, make sure that you steam your face before you actually apply this and scrub your skin. And then you will love it. You will love it. It's highly beneficial. And the best thing is to store it in a glass container so that it can remain fresh for a long time. But because I'm only using this for 2 or 3 days, so I'm only going to go ahead and just store it in a little plastic container, which is right here. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.